Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about an error which is your device is not compatible with this version. When you trying to download PhonePe app, this error is often comes. So let's get talk what is the reason behind this error. So that is a common and frustrating error message, especially with your older mobile phones. The message your device is not compatible with this device usually mean the app developer has set requirement for your phone and that your phone does not meet. So you can fix it by trying some method. First is go to your device setting and look for the system or software update. Check for update and install if any update available. This is often and the quickest fix of this error. You can try the second method, which is go to your setting on your phone, go to the apps or app manager, find the Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, tap clear cache and clear storage, and this will reset the Play Store and you can restart your phone and try download the app again. So if this method did not work, so you need to replace your device with the latest feature. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.